No one cares what the fuck I'm eating? Good morning. Det er faktisk 13:15, 37, and I'm saying good morning as if it's morning. I mean, look at that. Hit it. Hit it, Fergie.
All the time I turn around.
I thought we are starting the day. Alright. Lindsay beretter om at dag. Let me see. Yep, jeg beretter på. No, my I just need a transition. But the vlog is in not smoke, and I don't get it training. It don't go so much. Already training it doing another points, so we're just gonna teleport back home because we got so tired. Speaker qasarlan ma 20 minutter, 25 minutter. Så kan en time så gange til dog at der nærmest der. So we had no time, no energy. Trænerne så til nyt. And now kan det tage no. No, it bedste det går simpelthen ikke gøre. Det går til det så der på. And unang dog not that, but that. It bedste der det går med. Så qasarlan og kafara så det ikke går ikke galt. Kasi inadeelt det går med like what's that? She's so curious. What besøger kanoner på så bare til kunne bare kunne tænke gå så ting over rammingen. And andre besøger at besøger var 5 dage før jul. By the time this comes out, it's being as you know sound up. The sooner after, just wait 5 days. Just wait 5 days. Just 5 freaking days. I'm not doing it. I've been waiting for like 3 weeks now. Det går også noget, I'm here. So, it best vlog it go down there if you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Because it best træner i Nuannisaqaangut, and first things first, der så det brugt mig sikkert 15:40 eller sådan noget. So I got like 20 minutes before she is free, and træner down there nowadays probably gonna take 2 hours or something. Slimit good. Because I've been editing a lot, and it takes so much time. Det er lavet af iPhone et og der til I need to find the footage and add some music and effects. That takes time. Editing takes time. I've been let's get to the let's go to the gym. Okay, så turn off på lidt. Der er du. Gilande denne Jen Erik. Der mange du er but the money's on the list. So amazing. No? No? Okay, off the bar. Yeah, off the push. Det var godt der. Endnu teknologisk noget der. Nuannisaqaangut. Der var endnu det siger meget på sådan noget. Ullumikkut træner 4,5 ud af 10. Kind of average. Det er så på dagen i dag. And I meget med trænerne i går, så alt til sig. Anyway, here's a cool transition. Cool transition. How about that? Sasha, come up.
I'm fine.
When it breaks it down. You see, I never let me come up on that, but we're gonna break a little bit of rule. Ullumikkut marlunngornermi sisimangornermi pisartussaangaluaq. We're gonna break that rule. We're gonna break a 7-year-old tradition. Make it pancakes, make it bacon
Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes.
pancakes. Wait a minute. No one cares what the fuck I'm eating?
No one cares about what you're eating.
Yeah. That's actually a good advice. No one gives a shit about what the fuck you're eating. Mamat, thank you so much for watching today's vlog on Nuannisaqaangut. Even I don't do dope stuff. All 13 of you are watching. Really warms my heart. And we did Pancake Thursdays, kind of out of tradition. Today's conclusions. And we made pancakes. See, I don't do dope stuff, and vlog there's some inspirational stuff in there. You got something message that you can walk out of. Andreas Paulsen I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm by the time this comes out, I'm so psyched about that. And I have some ideas. I've always things I have to say about if we can do some crazy stuff. And I will see you in the next video.